Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add someone's Instagram story to my story. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Now to share someone's story on your story, the first thing you have to keep in mind is that you can't share other story to your story until and unless you are tagged in. That means if a person has tagged you on any story, you will either get a notification on your Instagram or else you can get DM on your Instagram. For that, if you open chat from the upper right corner of your screen, and in here you will get message from that account that you have been tagged to their story, and then if you tap on that chat, and in there you will see an option to share that story to your story. And now again going back, you will also receive a notification on your little heart icon on the upper right corner. If you tap on there you will get notified that you have been tagged, and if you tap on there again, there you will see an option to reshare or repost that story to your story. So that will be the only way to share someone's story on your story. If you aren't tagged or mentioned in that story, you will not be able to share that story on your story. Now if you want to share someone's story without being mentioned or tagged, an alternative way you can try is simply take screenshot from that account and then share that post to your account. So this is how you can simply add someone's Instagram story to your story. I hope this video was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.